What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Dad Does Videos. We are outside in our driveway standing in front of our Mazda 2021 CX-5 where we are going to show you how easy it is to change your cabin air filter. And it's important to know how to do this yourself because it's much cheaper than going to the dealer and having them do it, where you can get charged upwards of $100 or so. You can buy filters like this one that I'm going to put in from Amazon for just $12 or $13 a piece. I'll put the link to this in the description, but if you're looking yourself, this is the part number that you want to look for if you have a 2021 Mazda CX-5. Let's get into the car on the passenger side where we are going to play with the glove compartment to access our cabin air filter. All right, and here is our glove box. First thing we're going to do is just pop this open. And the next thing we're going to do is just push this damper to the right. As you can see, it pops right off. After we have that damper removed, we are just going to simply push in on both sides of our glove compartment. What we need to have happen is for this peg right here on this side and the same peg on the other side to basically come out of the holes that they're in. On this side, we just press in. As you can see, that peg comes out. All right, and here we are on the other side of the glove compartment. As you can see, that's where we already removed that one peg. We're back to the left side of the glove compartment, and we just simply press in, and there's our peg, and you can see the glove box simply falls forward. And behind the glove box is our filter. All we do is simply use this tab on the bottom to pull it out. And just make note of how it's positioned. This pull tab is on the bottom. Your new filter, you just want to put in the same way. Okay, so I thought I'd lay these right next to each other so you can see that these are the exact same dimensions. Our old filter is on the left, our new one is right here, and you can see how much cleaner our new one is as well. So after you get that plastic removed from your new filter, we're just gonna pop that right back in the space where we removed the old filter from. All right, so there is the space where we need to put our filter in. We're just gonna grab our new filter and press in. And again, make sure that tab is on the lower part of your filter when you put it back in. And after you've got that filter all the way back in, we simply need to push our glove box up, and you just need to pick a side. And because I'm closest to this side on the right, this is the side I'm gonna do it with. You just need to press in so that peg fits inside, just like that, and press up, and your glove box is back on both sides. All right, let's reattach that damper. If yours is almost hidden up here, don't worry, you just pull it down. Once you get a grip on it, you just slide that right back on to where we started. Wait for the click. And that is it, my friends. And then you press your glove compartment back up. So $12 or $13, a few minutes of your time, save you $100 at the dealer. Thanks for watching, everybody.